How to upgrade to premium on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account credentials. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and find the premium or upgrade to premium option depending on your app version. Tap on Upgrade Now to view the available subscription plans, pricing, and additional features that come with a premium account. Review the plan details carefully and choose the one that suits your needs best. After selecting your plan, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment using your preferred payment method such as credit or debit card or PayPal. Once the payment is successfully processed, your account will be upgraded to TextNow Premium immediately, unlocking features like ad-free usage, voicemail transcription, and enhanced calling option. Now you know to upgrade to TextNow Premium. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.